Hello everyone, welcome back to another Unity expert video. My name is Comet and today we're going to be teaching you how to do those statistic channels that display the statistics of servers, like how many members there are in the server, how many people are server boosting, stuff like that. We mainly do this with a bot called Statbot, so make sure you invite it. It's statbot.net. Invite the bot, log in, all that good stuff. Go to your dashboard and then go to settings. Your server should show up here. If it doesn't, click this, see, because sometimes, if the server doesn't have Statbot, you can click this to, make the server show up, and go to settings. To make those statistic channels, we go to something called Statdocs. That's what this bot calls those statistic channels. And we're going to add Statdocs here. We'll add like 2 or 3, Statdocs to show you what it is, but I'll explain every single one in case the one we create is not something that you want to do. So we go to add, new Statdoc, we'll do member count. So member count, we do member count, or we'll do like members here. We go to presets, we go to members, and we press, if you want all your members, you press all. If you only want users and not bots, you press this. If you only want bots, you press this. Obviously, we'll press all members, and let's add an emoji to this. So we'll go back to here and we can do this. So we'll find the specific emoji we want. We're going down to here. Let's use the, this one, for example. You can come back and then press backslash, and then you get it in a form where you can copy it. You can do that, or you can press your Windows, hold down Windows key and then period, and it should show up this, which should also work. You just have to type in like silly, like you should just type in the emoji name itself, and then it will show it to you here, and then you can press down on it. But yeah. We'll do this. Frequency, you can do 10 minutes. So this will update every 10 minutes. It will update. If you want it less, you need to buy premium. But, honestly, it shouldn't matter how long it updates as long as it does, So we add the stat doc. And yep, there we go. Members 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously, you can put this into a category, stuff like that. We'll add another one. Let's do, for example, server boosters. This is the name. This is not what will show up here. This is just the name name them however you want, so you can know what each one is. So I called the member count one member, but the actual text is members. So there's a difference. Channel text is what shows up in the server. So we'll say like premium or boosters, and we can go back here and we'll do like maybe diamond emoji for them, a gem. Boom, there we go. Now we can copy this, put it behind. We go to presets, members and role, go to builder. Now we search for the role. I don't have a server booster role because this is a test server and no one has boosted it because there's no reason to. We'll just put any role, like for example, arcane. Imagine this is our server booster role, and then include D&D, online, idle, offline. This is so you can include all their server boosters. If you want only the people who are online, click this, remove this, uncheck, but usually we just do all. You can also do a countdown from goal. So like if you want the goal to be 1,000, it will say X until 1,000. So like 995 away from 1,000, stuff like that. But we usually never use this. So we add the counter, boom, add stat doc. You can also change the frequency, but it doesn't matter. And we'll add one more. So let's actually look through the available things you can do. So let's go to builder or presets. You have channels, which are basically, the amount of message, voice, and category channels. You can click all of them. There's date and time. So the time zone offset is for like daylight savings. So if you go through daylight savings, you can input like how much it's offset by. You can put the format. You can even go advanced formatting, but usually I don't do that. And you can add that as a counter. You can add members with a status, so like how many people are online, D&D, idle, or offline. You can have roles, so the amount of roles you have, countdown and timer until something, but usually I wouldn't use this. I would just use the events tab on Discord just because it's built in and it's cleaner. Members, again, explain this, how many people are in your server. Members and role is, we just explained that too. And then members and voice. So you can add channels to the list below and either whitelist or blacklist. So if you whitelist, it will only count the amount of people in the channels in the list. If you blacklist, it will count people in voice channels from all channels except the ones that are in the list. So obviously, you know, if you have too many channels, you have to whitelist, just do blacklist and then do the other ones, right? So that's all of that. So we'll just add a date and time, you know. Thursday, January 2nd. We don't have time zone offsets, and we'll do time. Channel text, current time. We'll do today's date since we're choosing a date. So today's date, boom, and then we add the counter, we add the stat doc. And then since this is every single day, we don't have to update this every hour. We can update this every 1 day. But boom. And if we go back, there we go. Saturday, August 16th. We didn't add an emoji though. Let's just add like a calendar. Like this. Yeah. That would actually look really good. Modify, edit. And actually that's good that I forgot to add an emoji. It's just so I could show you how it updates. We can also set this to 1 day since it's daily. There we go. And obviously, boom. It updates it immediately. One thing though, Discord has put some restrictions on Discord bots, so Statbot can only edit the name of a channel twice every hour, I think, or twice every 10 minutes, something like that. So if it doesn't immediately update, just give it some time. If it doesn't update within like an hour or two, obviously go check out what's going on, go to the support server. They have really good support, actually, amazing support. So yeah, this is how you add stat counters to your server. They look amazing. It's great. Obviously, you know, not all of them will be like, they won't all fit, so obviously, you know, play around with it a little bit depending on your needs. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you guys later.